everybody and welcome back to our maths lessons. Say hi, George.
Hello.
Okay, so today George and I are going to be doing some maths problems with you, and we're going to be using counting bugs, aren't we, George? Counting bugs to help us solve some problems. Okay, so in a minute we're going to have a little look at the screen and I want you to see if you can pause the video and work out the problems as we go along. Ready? Okay, so our first problem is this. If there are two people at the bus stop, and I'm using bugs to represent people, if there are two people at the bus stop and one of them gets on the bus, how many would be left at the bus stop? So there are two people at the bus stop, one gets on the bus, how many people are left? Well done, there's one left. Very good. Okay, let's have another go at a different problem. This time there's three people at the bus stop. Three people at the bus stop and one gets on the bus. How many people are left at the bus stop? Very good, there's two. Two people are left at the bus stop. Okay, next question, question number 3. We're going to have slightly more this time. 4 people at the bus stop. Should we count them to check? Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 people at the bus stop and 2 get on the bus. How many people are left at the bus stop? Well done, there are 2 left at the bus stop. Very good. Thank you for joining with those. Now, George has got some other problems for you to solve at home now, don't you, George? Yeah, he's been thinking of questions he can give you. So listen carefully to George's problem and then pause the video and see if you can work it out. And you can draw the problems, you can count them on your fingers, you can use something to help you count out the people, whatever you like to help you solve the problem. Okay, get ready. Ready, George? Off you go then. There are 5 people at the bus stop and 1 gets on the bus. How many are left at the bus stop? Okay. So see if you can work that one out. So there were 5 people at the bus stop and 1 gets on the bus. How many are left at the bus stop? Okay, so if there's 5 people at the bus stop, 1 gets on the bus. That means there are 4 people left at the bus stop. 5 take away 1 equals 4. Okay, ready for the next one? Okay, ready, off you go, George. 3 people are at the bus stop and 2 get on the bus. How many are left at the bus stop? Pause the video and see if you can work that one out. All right, so 3 people are at the bus stop, 2 get on the bus. How many are left? 3 people get on the bus stop, 2 get off the bus. How many are left? 1. Well done, it would be 1. Very good. Okay, next one, off you go, George. 4 people are at the bus stop and they all get on the bus. How many are left? There are 4 people at the bus stop and then they all get on the bus. 4 people at the bus stop and every single one gets on the bus. So how many would be left at the bus stop? 0. Well done. There'd be none left. Okay, now the last problem is a bit of a tricky one. So if you really want an extra challenge, you can keep watching and we're going to give you a last little problem to solve. But don't worry if you find it a bit tricky because it's meant to be a bit tricky. Okay, ready, George? You've been thinking up of a really hard one, haven't you, to try and trick the children? Let's see who can have a go at it. Okay, off you go then, George. 5 people are at the bus stop and then the first bus comes along and 1 gets on the bus. Then the second bus comes along and 2 more people get on the bus. How many are left at the bus stop now? So there were 5 people at the bus stop. Then the first bus came along, 1 person got on. Well, that would leave, let's see, 5 people at the bus stop, 1 person gets on the bus. How many would be left now? That's it, 4. But then we had a second part to our problem, didn't we, George? Very tricky. The next bus came along and 2 more people got on that bus. So if we take off those 2 people, how many people are left at the bus stop now? 2. Oh, that was a tricky one, but well done if you had a go at joining in with that. Don't worry if you got a bit confused, but well done for having a go. All right, that's it from us today, but we will see you tomorrow for some more fun maths games online. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.